me personally, I feel like I've been like low-key neglecting y'all, but I haven't, man. I just been having a lot of shit I've been having to do, man. I gotta move in 10 days, and I got like bad news on the 2 places I showed y'all. So yeah, man, so I just been like low-key, not stressing, but stressing, because it's like, where the fuck am I gonna go? I ain't trying to go back to my parents' crib for not even a day or 2 days. But enough for that, man. We finna get into this video, man. Hey, my car is back up and running. I do have like 3 or 4 videos I have filmed before this video, but I feel like I do want to just put up this video because this is like, I'm feeling a whole lot better and better energy compared to those videos. But you see, we got the other camera right there and the GoPro accessories. Obviously, I'm on this camera. And then we have the GoPro attached to my car. Oh, somebody is spelling some shit. This guy over there. But yeah, man, Shay Sway. Oh no, I'm tripping. Shay Sway is still here. I have my Gucci shades in my. I'm gonna die. I have my Gucci shades right here, so don't think that Shay Sway is gone, man. No, I'm still here. I'm still living. But yeah, man, we finna go link up with the homie. I ain't trying to say his government name, but yeah, we finna shoot his Hellcat. Shit, just wing it tonight, man. Hellcat. That's it, man. One side goddamn pink, one side. That's a broken thing.
Yeah, man.
What's good, bro? How you doing?
Cooling. It's hot as hell.
You changed the phone?
Yeah.
That's alright.
Had to. Got the pink.
Yeah,
Blue on the other
blue.
side. It's a little cotton candy thing. That's what I wanted to do.
That shit is hard though. Different. Different.
Got the on the go too on the trailer.
Right there. Angle actually.
Yeah, ain't nobody doing it like me.
I catch him ass everywhere.
That's crazy.
On
bro.
the freeway streets.
Freeway streets, like
They
man,
don't fucking.
everywhere. Gas station. It's like, yo, what the?
Yeah,
hell?
that shit crazy as hell.
Your bill's different, bro. For real though.
And my shit dirty as hell. I don't wash my car.
I don't even watch it either.
Nah,
I just
hell
think
no.
it's what?
Shit,
Yes.
it take too much. Hell no, I blaze as hell. Nah, fuck that. I be chilling. Nah, I probably watch it like once a week though.
It's like a dark orange though.
Yeah, it's technically called matte tangerine red, but yeah, but it's an orange red. I don't know, see where it's at.
Ranch?
Yeah, it's the center caps is carbon, and then just red without.
I like those. It matches the car.
And someone's done. I'm trying to get next is stars in the roof.
Yeah, I want to do that too.
Racing seats. And that's it.
Racing, I can't do racing.
That shit feel cool, bro.
I'll take the back seats and the passenger seat out.
And that's what I'm doing too because that's like shit.
Ain't nobody be back
Yeah,
there.
you can't fit in the back anyway. Because shit, my seat is all the way back, not happening, and this seat all the way back, not happening. So it's like,
Oh, you already have a gutted? Yo, you have sound in the back. That's right.
yeah, so I'm like, no, that shit ain't go. There's no point.
I got brand new tires. I'm ready to show out.
Yeah, I have like 3 or 4 spots. Ain't back up in this bitch. Ain't gonna lie, I should have bought a manual, y'all. I should have bought a manual, but I didn't. I ain't speeding. I give a fuck. Yeah, we got big 5.0s out here. We got Hellcats out here. I ain't putting shit in the maps though.
God bless you, man.
You too, be safe.
Yeah, you too. Nice ride.
Well, this is why you pay Mercedes their money, bro, because they give you all this.
The whole car looks.
Package from the dealer is like more aggressive. It has like a rear diffuser, like a little bottom plate like this.
Does it have the light at the bottom or not?
No, it just has like an extra plate like this, flat.
Oh, aerodynamic.
Yeah, and I saw that, I was like, I don't really dig it. I feel like this is more aggressive when it's
12 seconds later.
I need more like traction.
Yeah, this is like,
Slippery.
we're good. All right, for sure. Hey man, look, hey y'all, look, I don't know where this video's at, y'all. I don't know, but hey man, y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all, man, lit content only, man. I'm not okay. Look, not every video is gonna be lit and all that, but first, man, peep the drip. Today's drip is we got the Play Zone, we got the Gap on. This right here, the expensive Calvin Klein's on. Then we got my brother's brand Trillionaire clothing. Then we got the orange motherfucker right here with these tires. Still is like brand new, y'all. Front tires too is like brand new. We got the GoPro action, it's a little crooked. And go right here a little bit. There we go. It's fixed now. It tilts a little down. Yeah, man. I'm trying to give y'all lit content only. Tags is goddamn past due like a motherfucker. Car dirty. But shout out to Reflections for one, the wrap, and two, the ceramic coating. Because when I say having your car ceramic coated, wash my car in 5 minutes or less compared to having to wash before when it was white. It takes like 15 minutes, but Yeah, man, that's why. Thing is, you can tell dirty, but can't really tell dirty. So shout out to Reflections and shout out to my other sponsor, Auto Addict. Reflection Detail. And shout out to Wolves of Carbon for the carbon fiber steering wheel. This is a steering wheel matching the wrap. There's a wrap matching the steering wheel. Shit, I don't know. But I ain't gonna lie, I do want new wheels. I don't know what wheels I want, y'all. So comment down below and let me know what wheels do you think I should go with. Don't know, but I need some. I'm not getting a Forgiatos. I would never buy a Forgiatos. No roasted Forgiato. Obviously, I can easily get Forgiatos, but it's just not for me and what I do with cars. It's not. No, I would not get Forgiato wheels. I just can't, because those wheels are too expensive to be to be trying to go race, have fun in canyons. I'm not going to no canyons with Forgiatos on. Not happening. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Comment down below, let me know if you think I should do anything else to the car though. Cause I actually I'm definitely about to get new seats. I'm going to do a rear seat delete, change the passenger seat and the driver's seat to Prisma seats, racing seats. Well, they're not like racing seats, but they're like bucket seats, but they're super comfortable. And then I want to shout out to all these people too. Got full blown. We got the people tuned by Honda, Wolves of Carbon Fiber, the Wolves of Carbon Fiber steering wheel, baby, and all these other people. We got Gap Cam number 1 and Gap Cam number 2. But I am retired. I do not race. So if anybody, look, ever since I got my car back from dealer, cars have been trying to race me on the freeway. Hey man, I look at them stupid, laugh, and keep driving this cruise. Cause I'm not racing, man. No point. Cause I just got my fucking transmission is hanging on by a thin needle. So no, not happening. This one, I'm ready to move out of downtown, bro. I think. Let me see. Damn. I think so. It's something right here, y'all. I accidentally drove over it, and that shit scared the hell out of me. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta see if I'm out. Yeah, I gotta pull over. I gotta go pull over and see if I'm leaking anything. Cause yeah, I hit something hard as hell, and definitely gotta get that shit. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull over and see if I'm leaking right now. Or do anything, because when I mean that sounded scary as hell. That sounded scary as hell, so I definitely gotta go pull over real quick.
What's the deal?
Hey, tell me I got that vlog right there.
What's the deal? How y'all doing today?
Man, there was some shit over there, bro. I ran over, so that's why I'm pulling over.
Bro, I ran over some shit. My whole front lip came off.
Right here?
Nah, on the freeway.
Oh, yeah, I was turning left at this light, but then I don't know if it was a turn lane. I'm cool?
Yeah.
Shit. Ah, damn. I'm all in the middle of shit. That shit sounded bad too, ain't gonna lie. I seem cool. I think I'm cool.
Yeah,
This car been through it.
Bro, what you telling, bro?
At this point, this car is good luck. There's 2 places I was looking at. They trying to pull that. They can't. They don't think my bank statements is real.
Nigga.
Yeah, they pull that shit.
Nigga, bro.
They pull that shit.
Bro, I told my dad I had to do the same shit the other
Yeah.
day. Fuck, I make $20,000 every 3 months, right?
Yeah.
You probably make a fuck ton more.
Yeah.
I
But it's
don't
like-
believe this. Like, you want to
Yeah,
go to the bank with me? Like,
Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? It's like, so if they look, it's consistent. It's like, it's not like, oh, $1,000 right here and then.
oh, just boom, random
Yeah.
large amounts of
It's
money.
like, bro.
It's all a couple $100.
Yeah, it's back to where I'm showing them like up to like 9 months. Like, bro, what the fuck? Now,
You got, it's not even a bank statement. That's a fucking. That's a damn. What's that word called? My dad used. Goddamn. It's a financial statement.
yeah.
Not a fucking bank statement. Financial statements go over years.
Alright, so we is back in the crib, and you know, you feel me? Stan Smith for the win. R.I.P. Nipsey and Kobe. King James still alive, but we all know the real GOAT is Kobe. Kobe is my GOAT. But yeah, shout out to Daryl Icon for the 2 arts. I'm gonna need some more when I move to my next spot though.